How's it going?
How you doing?
Pretty good. This is it, huh? I'm Matt.
Right.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Yeah, now they did an AC delete as far as the belt diagram, so I'm just gonna make a little.
Okay.
They just bypassed the compressor.
Someone did?
The compressor froze up. You know what I mean? And they put a shorter belt on here, but I got a new belt and everything. I put this belt on here because I had to put a new alternator on here.
So you want me to add new belts, what you're saying?
Well, I mean...
Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, if you want to make a diagram, they usually, as long as a lot of times they come without them. So they'll have two different diagrams. Nice day, though.
Yeah, man. Today and yesterday was nice, too. How long you been working on cars, man?
Long time. I went to college for it out of high school. But I've done a little bit of everything for work. I've always, I got a degree, associate's degree in high performance auto technician. I flip them too, so I'll buy them from the auction rack and fix them up and sell them. And I pretty much I fix everything myself. I can't remember. I mean, I even fix some washers and dryers when they break down. I just like to fix stuff.
That bottom pulley on that tensioner is squealing up. The bearings are gone in it. I even isolated the sound. And it doesn't tension well. You know what I mean? I think the tension is gone too.
You said you've owned a lot of these? You like the Odysseys?
Oh man, that's the best vans in the world. You take care of them, ride,
Yeah, they last a while too, huh?
Yeah. We got a 229.
And you got a good diagram of this belt?
Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm good.
Alright.
I don't really think that belt is bad, though. You was able to loosen that tensioner?
Yeah.
Damn. I had a 24-inch breaker bar on there and I couldn't get it to move.
Were you going counterclockwise?
Yeah.
Oh.
Pushing against it. Like you was pulling down, I was pushing against the front to back.
Yeah. So, you think you were going the wrong way?
No, I was going this way to that way.
Oh, okay.
That's the same way you were going. You were just going down.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
But that pulley is bad.
Yeah, I believe it's
Bottom pulley.
17. $15 millimeter. This. It was the bolt, luckily.
It sounded like the bolt.
Yeah.
They used to have good tools.
I run a lot of like Harbor Freight stuff, honestly, especially like the sockets.
Oh, no shit.
I've never broken a impact Harbor Freight socket.
Oh, okay.
You know, like
I got impact Harbor Freights too.
yeah, you know, I mean stuff like that. I mean, I need to upgrade some of the other stuff, but the Icon is, you know, getting up there. They're just as good as some of their stuff's just as good as Snap-on and beating them.
Uh-huh.
So a lot of people are switching to that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's leaking oil all over it, but
The truck is leaking oil?
you're leaking oil somewhere.
Oh, yeah. Last year, my alternator went out. In fucking wintertime, too. It was cold as hell. So I changed the front valve cover gasket, cleaned it all up. But I didn't do the back one, because the back one you gotta take the pump or something off, you know what I mean, to get to the valve cover. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So the front one was what destroyed my alternator, so I did that one. Now my alternator's good.
Alright.
Does that one have the washer on the back of it that it's supposed to have?
Is there? Or this one?
That didn't have a washer either?
This?
It shows a washer on it when you look it up online. Maybe that's the washer now.
Yeah, I mean, it looks like there's some kind of spacer right there, but it's built onto it. There's an O-ring.
Oh, okay.
It's got like a little O-ring.
Okay. If one didn't come off, that must be how it's made.
Yeah, I didn't...
Different companies probably make it different, you know.
Yeah, I mean, I could reach up and... I mean, I could take a peek. Yeah, I don't see any.
Yeah, the bearings are going in here. That's why I got that wiggle. Yeah, that's where it's shooting was from. I work on cars too. I'm good at diagnosing shit. I just didn't feel like doing this job right here. huh?
Yeah. I mean,
Let's make sure that other belt is the same.
this belt's fine. I'd probably put this. I mean, we'll put that new one on, but I'll save this as backup. It don't have no dry rots or nothing in it.
Yeah, I just put this on, but oh shit.
I mean, if you want to, you could even take that one back, get your money back.
No, I bought that on eBay. That's a Daco. That's a
yeah, I know. I seen it was a good belt. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's make sure it's the same before you even try to put it on. Yeah.
Looks pretty close. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, let's just go with the new one.
Yeah, with that.
This is old O'Reilly belt. I forget what they were finding.
You got that belt diagram?
Oh. Yeah.
I'll try it out.
I know how to go. I can tell you if you want to see it.
Oh, I just didn't know if you had. I seen your drawing it, right?
Yeah.
Up over this.
Yeah. Then that goes around the bottom pulley. It goes around the bottom pulley. Goes around the crank, comes up, goes over the top pulley, then goes to the alternator, back up.
So it goes around, so from the top it goes around the alternator.
Yeah. Yeah, it goes directly to the alternator. Then around the top pulley.
Alright, the rest of my work I believe is down here. Alright, so come down, come over the crank, right? Alright.
Yep.
And then this tension comes. I believe it's. Looks like it's gonna have to go like this.
Yeah, that definitely goes like that.
All right, let me grab my socket, whatever the hell fit. I think that's it.
No. See, you got it around that.
Does it sit over top of this, like that?
Over here. And this. Oh, this. Where's that belt? This goes over top of this one.
All right, try to feed it up on top of that top pulley.
Oh shit.
Hold on, let me give you some. Go ahead.
Okay.
All right, so I got to loosen this up and then throw this loop up over top of that. That's what I'm going for.
Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. I got it. Yeah. This. Yeah, this has to go over the big top pulley.
Okay, let me break this tension.
Yeah, that's it. There you go. That,
Let me grab that 3/4 socket.
hold this. There. That's over that.
How's it look?
That's it.
All right, now let me fix this.
Yep, and all the
How's it look? How's it look on your side of the alternator?
yeah, alternators right where it should be.
All right.
This is all where it should be.
Well, I guess we fire it up. Sounds quiet.
That's it. No more squeaky squeaky.
Yep.
Driving it and that belt disintegrate. I mean that pulley.
I'm glad your diagnosis was right.
Yeah.
Well, it's just sometimes it's tough. Like, I'll come do jobs like this, and you know, it's like people already have the parts. I'll put the part on, and it won't fix the problem.
Yeah.
I'm like,
Oh, well, you know what I did? I'm old school. I don't know how to run 55, but while it was on, I took a wood dowel, put it up to my ear,
oh yeah,
put it on this pulley, it wasn't there. When I put it on here, you can hear it.
old wooden dowel. Yeah, you could. Well, yeah, I've used like screwdrivers and stuff like that.
Work too.
Yeah,
But I
yeah,
didn't have a screwdriver long enough.
yeah. Wooden dowels. That's a pretty good idea.
Yeah. You need some water or you got?
Nah, this is kind of like watery. This is okay.
Okay.
I appreciate it though.
I mean, I got a bucket for the thing right here.
Oh, this, I should be just fine with this. Thank you, though.
No problem. Oh.
How long have you lived here?
I just paid this house off last year. I bought it 12 years ago.
Oh, okay. Seems like a pretty nice little neighborhood.
Yeah. Nice and quiet.
Yeah.
Older people around
Is
here.
it?
Everybody got alarm systems and
Yeah, I seen that.
got the neighborhood watch and all that.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Cops respond fast.
Yeah.
Police station is like three blocks over.
Yeah.
My alarm system went off one time. I mean, they was knocking on the door 2 minutes. Okay, I appreciate you.
So-
man. If I need anything else, I can call you, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, if you want my number, if it'll help, you know, in case you can't find me on Facebook or something.
Yeah, because I just happened to run across your. Let me see.
Yeah, sometimes it's easier just to pay me to do it.
I hear you. I'm cool with that. Go.
Yeah, that's the one thing that a lot of people, you know, like that do this once I come out and, you know, they see that I can get the job done to show it up on time, you know.
That's all I want.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I mean, I'm starting to build it up, the clientele, to where I'm getting a lot of comebacks, you know,
Okay.
to where people are just like, you're my mechanic now, you know, because you told me you'd be here, you know.
Yeah.
I respond quickly, you know.
And it's great that you do the mobile shit because I mean I could have drove it to your house because I mean it was still running and driving.
Yeah.
Just squealing like a song, bitch. But I'm glad you was able to come. And I used to have this other guy, but he got real undependable. He was fighting with his girlie and then getting high and all that. And he kind of fell off the boat, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But he can come here and do anything I need. Put gas tank on a truck or whatever, you know?
Yeah. Cheap, too.
Yeah, he was real reasonable.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But I ain't seen him in years, man.
Yeah, I mean, some people, the pricing's the hardest part. Is like, some of my stuff I got started. I upped it a little bit for winter, my pricing, but I need to start dropping a little. But some people they expect me to do it for like damn near nothing. I'm like,
right.
you do realize I'm coming, like, especially the stuff where the car don't even start.
Right.
I'm like, you know how much money I'm saving you?
Yeah, for real.
You know, like a tow bill is $150 minimum.
Exactly.
You know, so.
Well, you could kind of understand it because, I mean, inflation is, everything is fucking up, you know?
Well, yeah, I haven't had to say it yet, but the thing I always think about is, like, you know, like, people don't want to, like, a lot of, like, people who complain are like, oh, it's too expensive. But then everyone's they're paying $20, $30 just to get their McDonald's driven to them. Mm-hmm. Or they're paying $30 for an Uber ride 10 minutes away.
Right.
It's like, why would you not have to pay at least $30 just for me to get here, and then I'm wrenching on your car? It's like,
right.
Some people don't get that, you know. It's like,
Right.
But it's a good paying. I mean, I started doing the mobile stuff kind of like right before winter.
Yeah.
Just to try it out, and at first, you know, it picked up pretty good, and then winter hit. It slowed down a lot, and now it's starting to pick back up.
Yeah.
But it seems to be pretty good money. Like, I used to deny working on people's stuff because I'm like, oh, I know how to, but I don't want to. But
right.
Now I'm like, man, there's some decent money in it, you know, especially if I keep busy. So
yeah,
I'm gonna keep.
I wish I knew your number when I had to put that alternator on, man, because the alternator that was on there, because of that valve cover that was leaking,
Yeah.
it was just black.
Yeah.
All
Oily.
That's what caused it to fail. The oil got down in the.
Yeah.
So when I got it loose, the best way to get it is bring it up top, not trying to take it down that way, right?
Yeah.
And I'm trying to get that right angle, and it's slipping out my hands and shit. I wipe my hands off and try to wipe it off, and get it again, and it slip back down. It was a pain, man.
Yeah. What you should have done is brake cleaner.
Yeah, I did clean it off a little bit, but it was just
Even with the brake cleaner?
yeah, it was still slippery, man.
Yeah.
You know, because you couldn't get the whole thing
Yeah.
clean.
No, I would have done the same thing though. I was like, oh, I'll do it, but I dive right in there with no gloves and I deal with that kind of stuff. I'm like, why am I doing this to myself?
Yeah. You put gloves on. When I put cloth gloves on, it was better.
Yeah.
Because I used to work a little part-time retirement job. I worked over at AutoZone.
Oh, okay.
Commercial driver. And they had these red and black hands. Now the black part is this part of the hand. The red part is cloth. This part. You know. But man, this part is just so slippery. I just drop anything.
Oh man.
But yeah, I appreciate you, man, hooking me up.
Yeah, no, I appreciate the work. You know, it's just